Good morning, everybody. It's like 6 a.m. right now. I'm like so hot because I was like doing stuff. I feel like I should wash my face, but I already have like my face stuff. So when I'm in the airport, as soon as I'm checked in and settled down, I'll definitely wash my face. And oh yeah, do you see the bags in the back? We are going to Jamaica again. But this time around, it's strictly for a weekend of parties and a vacation. So I'm excited. I'm happy. My Uber is downstairs, so I'm about to go downstairs. I'm not gonna stay in this hot house for any longer, so let's go to the airport because I'm gonna be like running 10 minutes behind the time that they say I should check my bag for. So fingers crossed it's not like a crazy strict airline and I can still just go ahead and check this bag. So let's go. I just got off my flight that leaves at 12:06, but it is you guys. So it is our first official day on vacation and we're just sitting on the balcony right now. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast closes in an hour, but today is the day we're going to 2 events. I definitely want to take you guys to both of them. I'm just like, I'm so nervous. I really don't want nothing happening to this camera where wetness is concerned, because it is a beach party and I know how I get. Like, beach parties for me are fun. Like, we will go and then, you know, scope out the vibes, start drinking, and then I'm like gone. So I don't want to not be responsible for you guys, and that's my problem. So let's try to see if I can make it work. But right now the views are beautiful. Like, look. So good morning from the breakfast bar. It looks like people aren't around, but they actually are. So breakfast was good. It's really not a lot of people here, but because I have this big curly hair to tackle and I gotta do my edges, my face, take a shower, a nice proper shower, I'm gonna go up now, because if we gotta get ready to leave out for 12, that means I have 1 hour and 40 minutes. And if you know anything about me, it takes me a year and a day to get ready to do anything. We're back in the room right now and I got out the shower. My hair is drying. I'm currently doing my brows. I did my full skincare routine, girl. I did a face mask. I did toner. I did hyaluronic acid. And now I'm ready to do my actual face. I'm not going to put moisturizer on. I really don't think I should. And I'm going to just start with this. If you watched the last Jamaica vlog, you know this is literally the truth. They're trying to leave for 1 o'clock and it's 12:08 right now. So let's see how soon I can, make shit shake. But really it shouldn't take that long of a time, especially because I'm standing in front of this AC. That's, if you hear blowing, that's what it is. And I'm just trying to get my face done in a spiffy. So I'll actually come back when I'm finished. I don't think I should record this out because I think I did it in the previous vlog, and yeah, girl, time for hurry up because I've been in here since what, 10:10 getting ready. It's kind of ridiculous. I've been in here for a hot little minute trying to hurry up.
So use the man who come to sweep the yard man.
no sound show. The girl I know you step over and move the clothes so my girl said, no now. Show them. Swing the middle, table, swing the middle, clap on that table, my girl, I know it's able. Stop jump on the spot when you know your boom boom back.
Good morning, you guys. I don't know what to say about this, but we're about to. So it is the next day and we're about to have breakfast. It's 9 a.m. right now, and we did a whole bunch of resort stuff yesterday, which was pretty chill for the most part. We ate so much, so all this weight I'm losing by walking up and down this damn resort, may I put it right back on. But nonetheless, we need to hurry up because we check out at 11 and I'm just trying to make the most of the day. I do have this to bring my claw clip because I might go in the ocean. I'm thinking of buying a bikini because why did I forget all my bikinis? Or I packed it in the wrong bag and he didn't bring it. I'm loving the views. I could do this for another day. I'm gonna try to ride the bicycle. If babe can do it with me, we'll do it together. It's really nice and warm outside too. I'm loving everything about this, and that is one of the reasons why I didn't pick the camera back up after the party, because I was just all about enjoying myself and I was freaking drunk. I was drunk as fuck. We're gonna get breakfast. We're gonna have some omelets. So this line, as you can see, it's a really long line, so we gotta wait. Yeah, you can just bring a different glass with ice. And you can put it here. Nice. Okay. So I got a spinach, cheese, and egg omelet, pancakes, and a croissant. Thank you so much. Croissant. I actually have to go in one of my boyfriend's friend's car to get my bracelet stuff and my portable hookah, but I also need to stop over by this gift shop because I need a swimsuit. I don't have a swimsuit and it's kind of crazy. Okay, it's open. I want to try to see without being taxed. Hi, do you guys have swimsuits? On the back wall? Okay, thank you. I found this and I didn't even know where this is cute and it's in a medium. A lot of these things back here are large, which is kind of crazy.
I don't know, this is about to be something, alright? Because this would be my first time doing this shit.
We are at the place to sign the waivers, but I need to go upstairs and change. Murder. So, this is us. Walking on the beach and recording is not for the weak.
I don't like him, farmer.
Yo, now for the opposite side, you can't do the same side, you know.
Watch it.
If you do the same side, it's gonna turn. One to the routine, brother. What that? Shut it. Brother, mind the boat, you can't kill her.
The boat.
You now move like a killer, you know. Everybody on the boat there.
Anybody see no honest vehicle pursuit?
How long done is it? 3 minutes?
Sweetheart, how the time you make on this kind of seat?
When you smoke a little bit more, you kill a bird.
I really don't know. The one that have the highest percentage of THC.
Get them ready. Show them what bees do. Show fucking them. Okay. Yo fucker.
No, as in like I want one upper and one downer. Was it 205?
Yeah, I get like $3,000. Trust and believe.
I don't know about them new money, you know. Them new money are show me.
Hello, sir. What is that pre-roll that makes me high?
Fuck you mean? What the fuck?
Which one is that now?
Every not the truth gonna make you high, sweetheart.
No, I want a nice high.
Brown
That make me
Sativa indica.
sativa.
So, we are at TGI and we're gonna take a shot. We have our shot. Me and Kels. Yeah, we're going to a carnival event after this, so that should be fun. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah, baby. Not bad. I wouldn't know time.
So use the man who come to sweep the yard. Yard man. So use the man who come to sweep the yard. Yard man. I want you to take a broom and sweep my yard. You better brush your bed or we go fall apart. Don't give me no short of thing. You have all day and night. I had to satisfy, so you better do it right. What you waiting for? Put your back in it. Just a little more. Throw your hands in it now. Tell your body okay. Walk it hard and go. When you finish now, all you want downtown. Go down, go down, go down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Come on, come on, come on.
This is my last day in Jamaica. It's the next day, and my boyfriend is actually coming because he has work. So we're on the same flight. This morning, I'm like so tired.